Good day everyone, I am Hilary Zoe A. Camponer, and today I am going to conduct an experiment entitled Air Pollution Observation Activity for our subject Environmental Science. If you are so curious about what this video is all about, then please continue to watch this video. Hello everyone, so these are the materials that we need for today's experiment. We have this 1/8 bond paper and the petroleum jelly and scotch tape. So let's get started with our experiment.
So for this experiment, we need to evenly spread a thin layer of petroleum jelly across the entire surface of the 1/8 bond paper. Doing this is important because it ensures that the sticky surface is consistent, allowing dust particles to settle and adhere properly. If the petroleum jelly is applied unevenly, some areas may not attract dust, which could affect the accuracy of our results. By making sure the coating is smooth and uniform, we can collect dust particles more effectively and observe them clearly, helping us better understand the amount of dust present in the environment. Our first location is the open area. The next location is near the plants. And lastly, the room area.
Good day everyone, welcome back to Scientific TV Show. So today is another good day and I just recently collected all of those 1/8 bond paper from the specific areas which we placed yesterday, and it has already been 24 hours. So now let us check those 1/8 bond paper and let us observe which of them collected the most dust.
This paper was placed inside a room which collected only a few dust particles, primarily because of the plant inside the house that enabled the air to be filtered or trapped. This another paper was located near the plants that collected only 3 dust of dust, probably because this paper was surrounded by plants that can again filter the air, which will then result to a healthier air in the surrounding. The last paper is the open area. Among the 3 papers located in different areas, this had the most collected dust particles, which I think was because our household is located near the road, so the air can basically be polluted by the vehicles that pass by.
Hello everyone, welcome to our experiment questions, wherein our audiences will raise their concerned questions regarding our experiment. So first question is, which location had the most dust or soot particles? The most location that had the most dust or soot particles, I reckon, is the open area. Okay, so for our second questions, what might have caused this difference in air quality among the locations? Well, in simple terms, I reckon it is because of human activity. That is the first reason, and then the second would most probably because in specific locations there are no trees within the area, so basically there's nothing to trap or filter the dust. So for our next question, how does air pollution affect human health and the environment? So the air pollution can only harm human health once an individual inhales harmful gases or tiny particles. And as for the environment, it can harm our plants, including our water and soil. Okay, so for our next question, what are common sources of air pollution in your community? So because our household is near the road, I reckon that the causes or the source of the air pollution within our area or within our community is vehicles, because we are more likely exposed to vehicles every day, as you can hear from the background. And okay, so this is actually the second to the last question, and since I do not know what I should answer for this question, I did some dig up in the internet, and so I'm going to read it. So the question is, what environmental laws or policies help reduce air pollution in the Philippines? So there is basically a policy or a law implemented by the government for to help reduce air pollution in the Philippines. So that policy or law is the Republic Act number 8749, which is the Clean Air Act of 1999. So this is said to be the main law that controls air pollution. It sets air quality standards, regulates vehicle emissions, and prohibit burning of waste materials. So this is the last question. It's actually not a question, but rather a suggestion. It says that suggest one simple action you can do to help reduce air pollution. So as a student, the simple action that I can do to reduce air pollution would probably planting plants within the garden area, and probably joining organizations that advocate for planting trees. I think that would be all.
The experiment has officially ended. I thank you everyone for staying at the end of this video and for all of your concerned questions. I hope that you have learned well about the air pollution in this activity or in this experiment. And that would be all. Have a blissful day, everyone.